Okay, so this is my nutrition game. So I'm on the donut right now, but when I click the donut, 1 point will be removed for eating an unhealthy food. And then if I click the healthy food, then 1 point will be added. And then if I click again, 2, -2, 3, -3. And then if I click the flag, then it goes back to 0. Over here you can see where it's counting. So if I click, so I'm on the donut, when I put the data, it says change unhealthy food by -1, so that means it's taking -1 point away each time. So if I pressed it twice, then it would take 2 points away. And then I have the say, so that every time I click it, it tells me that one unhealthy food has been taken away. So 1 point has been taken away. And then if I click on the fruit platter, then when this Sprite is clicked, then the healthy food will change by 1. And then it says 1 point will be added to the healthy food counter. So I click it, and 1 point is added, 2 points. And then over here, when the green flag is clicked, then it sets it back to 0. Same with the donut, when the green flag is clicked, then it sets back to 0. And that's it. Bye.